Hello everyone, in front of me Vivo X23. In this video I will show you how to wipe cache from this device. So, if you wanna erase cache from the specific app, go to settings, scroll down, go to more settings, now tap on app manager on the top right here, and choose the specific app you wanna to erase cache from, like Chrome. Now tap on storage and clear cache, and that's it, that's all. And the second way is if you wanna clear cache from all the apps together at once, you need to power off the device first. Just press and hold power button, and now tap on power off. Now we need to press and hold power button together with volume up button. Press them together and hold. Okay. And now you can see this menu. You need to now press the volume down button to select the recovery mode. And confirm by power button. We need to now wait a bit. And now just by using the volume down button or volume up, select advanced options, go back and sorry, it's not here actually. Wipe data, it's here, and wipe cache partition here, and confirm again. And okay, now you can go back and reboot system. And that's all. So thanks for watching, click like and subscribe, bye.